Okay. It is locked right now. The handle will not move. To unlock it to mow, pull this lever back. Watch this handle and watch how I move it with my hands. It's now ready to mow. When you are going to move the mower without mowing, make sure the handle is all the way back like this. Then lock it. Then check it. If I get ready to lock it and I do not put this handle all the way back, it still moves. You unlock it, put the handle all the way back, then slide this knob forward, and it's ready. If you're unsure, just do this. Okay, stop right there.